This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Whoop strap. First, make sure your Whoop strap has at least 25% battery life. Next, download the Whoop app from your smartphone's App Store, whether it's Apple's App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in using your existing Whoop credentials. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. Now, let's pair your device. Begin by ensuring Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. Then, open the Whoop app and look for the device pairing section, usually found in the settings or a dedicated Connect Your Device area. The app will guide you through finding your specific Whoop strap. You might need to tap your strap to wake it up, making it discoverable for pairing. Once paired, it's time for calibration and data synchronization. Wear your Whoop strap snugly on your non-dominant wrist or bicep, about 1 to 2 inches above the bone. The app will then begin its initial calibration process, collecting your baseline physiological data. For the most accurate insights into your recovery, sleep, and strain, consistent wear, ideally 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, is highly recommended. If you encounter any connection issues, here are some troubleshooting tips. First, try restarting both your Whoop strap and your smartphone. Often, a simple reboot resolves minor glitches. Also, ensure your Whoop app is updated to the latest version and that your phone's operating system is current. If problems persist after these steps, don't hesitate to reach out to Whoop dedicated customer support team for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.